This is an update on the Black Mission fig that I had pruned in winter. You can look up the video here of why I pruned it and how I pruned it in winter. So in Arizona, the Black Mission fig variety would produce two crops, one in spring and one in late summer if you prune it properly. And what I mean by that is figs typically grow on new growth of that season. That's what happens in summer fig crop. But in winter, when the tree is dormant, if you prune the tree such that you prune for the height, as I had done here, and then when you prune it, you would prune it so that the older branches, which are more than 1 year old, and the way to identify those is you look for the branch thickness, and that particular branch is much thicker, for example, than this branch, and it has developed bark on it as well. So when you prune this branch just above a bud, the next bud will shoot out a new node of leaves, and this will become new branch, and it's growing this spring. Right now it's middle of March, and this will grow into branches as the heat starts to set in. Same thing here. Let's see, this particular branch, it's more than 1 year old branch, since you can easily identify it by the thickness, same as this branch. But this particular branch or this particular branch is grown last year or probably last summer or fall. So this is the younger branch. So when you prune the fig, I pruned for the height at this particular branch, and the new shoots are emerging which will produce new branches. But when you look at the branch which is going to fruit in spring, it is going to be a branch which is under 1 year old. So what I did, for example, on this branch, I did not completely cut it off, but the way I did it is I picked a node, for example here, and then I pruned it at this height. And since this is a younger branch under a year old and it was pruned in winter, in early spring small figlets are emerging. And same thing here, for example, I pruned this less than 1 year old branch and small fig is emerging here. Then same thing for this, I left this under 1 year old branch unpruned and it is bearing the figs. And this is what you would consider a breba crop, which essentially means the fig crop that is going to produce figs for you in spring, and they should be ripened before the summer sets in. So that's the way you can prune the fig to maintain the height, but at the same time get enough figs for breba crop in early spring. And the tree right now at least has close to 20 to 25 figs as breba crop, and that should be good start for the tree to also grow in summer, like here, maintain the height and get some figs as breba crop as well. So there you go. That's how what you prune and which branches you prune would determine if you get figs in winter or figs in spring or breba crop or not.